Which of the following describes a sodium ion in sodium chloride? A. Low positive charge, +1. B. High positive charge, +3. C. Relatively large cation. D. Fairly small anion. The correct answer is A. Low positive charge, +1. What concept involves differentiating between renewable and non-renewable resources? A. Resource allocation. B. Resource depletion. C. Environmental management. D. Ecosystem balance. The correct answer is C. Environmental management. What is not under the voluntary control of the brain? A. Reflex action. B. Conscious thought. C. Sensory perception. D. Voluntary muscle movement. The correct answer is A. Reflex action. Which type of substance helps to destroy other living things and is produced by some microorganisms and plants? A. Sedatives. B. Psychedelics. C. Antibiotics. D. Antipyretics. The correct answer is C. Antibiotics. What is the purpose of the oxide film formed on aluminium's surface when treated with nitric acid? A. To change its color. B. To render it passive. C. To make it dissolve faster. D. To increase its reactivity. The correct answer is B. To render it passive. What type of factors in the biosphere influence an organism's survival and reproduction? A. Atmospheric factors. B. Geological factors. C. Biotic factors. D. Ecological factors. The correct answer is C. Biotic factors. What is the function of the meter in the main box? A. To connect the lev and neutral wires. B. To regulate voltage. C. To record electricity consumption. D. To convert AC to DC. The correct answer is C. To record electricity consumption. What happens when sand is mixed with water? A. It reacts chemically. B. It does not dissolve. C. It partly dissolves. D. It dissolves completely. The correct answer is B. It does not dissolve. What is formed when carbon dioxide bubbles rise in a reaction vessel? A. A new solid compound. B. A catalyst. C. A precipitate. D. A hissing sound. The correct answer is D. A hissing sound. What type of change is the transformation of gas to liquid? A. Non-periodic change. B. Chemical change. C. Periodic change. D. Physical change. The correct answer is D. Physical change. What technology was associated with the generation of computers between 1956 and 1963? A. Microprocessor. B. Vacuum tubes. C. Integrated circuit. D. Transistor. The correct answer is D. Transistor. What is an atom called that provides an unshared lone pair of electrons in a coordinate covalent bond? A. Donor atom. B. Ionic atom. C. Metallic atom. D. Acceptor atom. The correct answer is A. Donor atom. What is identified as a necessary measure to protect people and the environment from plastic pollution? A. Increasing plastic production. B. Decreasing recycling efforts. C. Implementing new rules and laws. D. Encouraging more plastic consumption. The correct answer is C. Implementing new rules and laws. For what purposes are the mentioned cattle animals reared? A. Milk and farm labor. B. Leather and hunting. C. Meat and guard duties. D. Or wool and transportation. The correct answer is A. Milk and farm labor. If the population of a species has decreased by more than 80% in a decade, what is its status? A. Stable. B. Recovering. C. Endangered. D. Thriving. The correct answer is C. Endangered. What is the reproductive characteristic of class Mammalia? A. Ovoviviparous, retaining eggs internally. B. Oviparous, laying eggs. C. Viviparous, giving birth to young ones. D. Asexual reproduction through fission. The correct answer is C. Viviparous, giving birth to young ones. What is placed over the hydrilla plant in the beaker? A. An inverted test tube. B. An inverted funnel. C. A watch glass. D. A flat lid. The correct answer is B. An inverted funnel. During which life stage do growing children require special attention towards diet, exercise, and personal hygiene? A. Adulthood. B. Infancy. C. Adolescence. D. Childhood. The correct answer is C. Adolescence. What is the value of 1 RD, Rutherford? A. 10⁹ disintegrations per second. B. 1 disintegration per second. C. 100 disintegrations per second. D. 10⁶ disintegrations per second. The correct answer is D. 10⁶ disintegrations per second. What celestial phenomenon's phases were accounted for by models mentioned in the text? A. Earth. B. The Sun. C. Venus. D. Mars. The correct answer is C. Venus. Which of the following is a product of the reaction between CaO and 2H-close? A. Hydrogen gas. B. Water. C. Oxygen gas. D. Carbon dioxide. The correct answer is B. Water. Which characteristic describes the nucleus of the blood cells mentioned in the text? A. Unenucleate. B. Binucleate. C. Anucleate. D. Multinucleate. The correct answer is A. Unenucleate. Which system regulates and controls activities throughout the body and is the site of consciousness and memory? A. Nervous system. B. Peripheral nervous system. C. Skeletal system. D. Spinal cord. The correct answer is A. Nervous system. Which component in a nuclear reactor is responsible for absorbing neutrons to control the reaction? A. The coolant. B. The turbine. C. The protection wall. D. Cadmium rods. The correct answer is D. Cadmium rods. What is the trend for ionic ready downer group? A. It increases. B. It stays the same. C. It decreases. D. It first increases then decreases. The correct answer is A. It increases. Where are the center of gravity and the center of buoyancy located for a floating body? A. In the same horizontal line. B. In the same vertical line. C. At the same point. D. In opposite directions. The correct answer is B. In the same vertical line. Which disease has been eliminated from the human population due to Jennerian vaccination? according to the WHO? A. Smallpox. B. Papilloma. C. Polio. D. Typhoid. The correct answer is A. Smallpox. What is compared to dust and rust plugging up a pipe in the analogy? A. The flow of electrons. B. The voltage generated by a battery. C. The pressure difference. D. Factors that slow the flow of water. The correct answer is D. Factors that slow the flow of water. Which muscles are responsible for bending the fingers? A. Finger extensors. B. Biceps. C. Triceps. D. Finger flexors. The correct answer is D. Finger flexors. What concept is gaining importance among farmers for producing good quality crops? A. Monoculture farming. B. Hydroponics. C. Organic matter and sustainable agriculture. D. Genetic engineering. The correct answer is C. Organic matter and sustainable agriculture. How did you score?